Earthwork is probably the most important operation for construction. But it could also be tricky to estimate. In this video, we will explain how 3D earthwork works. Although Autodesk Revit is used, the principles are the same for all types of software. Here we have 2 pages of drawings for a retail shop. The shop footprint is 80 feet by 40 feet. You will need the info later on. The actual site grading is on the second page. Dashed lines are existing contours. The scale is 1 inch equals to 20 feet. While PDF drawings are the most common source info, they should be to the scale. We will use Revit as an example. Start a new project by clicking File and New. Pick the default template as it is the most straightforward one to use. First, make sure you change the view from Level 1 to Site. Next, ensure the scale under Site View is consistent with your drawing to be imported. Change it if necessary. In our case, it happens to be 1 inch equals to 20 feet. Now go to Insert menu and Import PDF. Remember, our drawing is on the second page. Change resolution if you would like. Place the drawing to the center of the site view. First, check to the scale again. Pick the image. From Modify menu, find the measurement ruler. Check both sides of the building dimensions. The numbers don't have to be exact, but they should be close to the building footprint. That is, 80 feet length and 40 feet width. Now let's put in existing elevations along contour lines. Go to Massing and Site tab and click on Topo Surface. Ensure you change elevation to 100. Click along the 100-foot line on the image. Always put in a few additional points to extend the line. After you are done, change elevation to 99.5 and trace the next line. Sometimes it is easier to start the tracing from the middle and work each direction. Now repeat the process for all other lines. Remember to change elevation before each different line. Again, always extend lines at both ends by putting in additional points. Finally, you should add 2 new lines for 100.5 and 96.5. This is to ensure the whole site is covered. Click check mark to finish surface. Click Label Contours and drag it across the lines. To see more lines, click Massing and Site tab again. Under Model Site Group, click the small Site Setting arrow. Change increment to 0.5 foot or 6 inches. Zoom in, you will see the elevations on all lines. To finish it off, we have to specify the top surface as existing. This is very important. Pick the surface, go to Properties window, find Phase created under Phasing. Change it from New Construction to Existing. Before putting in the info on new construction, let's go to any of the 4 elevation views to see the existing surface from another angle. You will see the site is currently in the cloud. Pick level 2, right-click and delete it. Change the elevation of level 1 to 100. Now your existing surface has been brought down to the ground. Now go back to the site plan view. Select existing topo surface. Either right-click or go to the toolbar above. Pick Hide in View, then Hide Element. Now we are ready to sketch new surface. Go to Massing and Site tab again, click Topo Surface. Change elevation to be 100 for building pad and sidewalk. For spot elevations in the parking lot, just change numbers and click points. When done, click Finish Surface from above. Let's review what we did. Click the light bulb symbol at the lower left corner of the screen. Now you can see both existing and proposed surfaces. You can also go to View menu, then 3D views to see those 2 surfaces. Finally, we are going to calculate quantities. Go to View menu, Schedules, then Schedule/Quantities. In the dialog box, pick Topography from the list. You only need 3 fields: surface area, cut, and fill. Now the earthwork volumes have been calculated with a 3D model. If you find today's tutorial useful, feel free to subscribe, like and share.